Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while, up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while. See all you can see, all you can do, be all you can be, go all that you can go, up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while.
Okay, it's May 5, 2025. We're kind of at this temple right here, and you got some performances in here. So we're just going to walk around Coloane village and show you what it's all about. Okay, Coloane village during a beer festival, and it's also Buddha's birthday. So this particular one, as you can see in the music part, I kind of film more of the beer drinking part, which is kind of fun, but I also kind of film all around Coloane village, so you're going to see that one in the walk and talk. So anyways, you can see it already up on the map, and then we got some music. The music is up there as well, and let's just go check out this beer festival and Buddha's birthday and all the stuff going on and walking around Coloane village, which is in the southern part, as you can see on the map. All right, let's do it. Another slice of Macau. Let's walk in here real quick.
呢個嘢好中意食水蟹粥，後身都係水蟹粥，唉，今唔知一科一身都係蟹嚟啫。係，姑娘仔，你姓乜名乜？又喺邊出㗎？你咩事跌落海？你跳海啦，還是俾人害你㗎？
In the type of village. I'll show you a lot more, but this is where the temple's at. It's Buddha's birthday, it's May 5. And I was told by somebody on YouTube to come over and film it today, so I am. And then yesterday I met somebody else who came over from Hong Kong just to come to this festival. And they actually got a hotel room here, an English teacher in Hong Kong. So there was a couple of people that mentioned it's something that I should probably do. So we're gonna do it. So let's walk right into the village and then we'll kind of show you what's all going on here today. Okay, so you got some nice beautiful banyan trees, and actually this village is I'm just kind of trying to show you where the ocean is at. Straight down that way is the ocean. Okay. Actually have some nice little decorations now. This is relatively new. The painting is new. So we're gonna meander in. This is a little square right here. This has some really nice artwork in here. Lily's cafe. So we're gonna kind of angle towards that music. So you can hear the music in the distance, and you're also getting an idea of Coloane village and what it looks like. There we go, right there. Yep, so we're gonna go directly into that. I guess it's a beer festival. Giving out free beer right there, I guess. Free beer. So I guess it's giving out free beer. So we're just gonna go across. Almost everybody has free beer here. Go all the way down a little bit. Wow. That's crazy. I guess there's a fast food that came in, I guess. Hey, we're gonna go back in. more. Show you a little bit more of Coloane village, so you have an idea. That's pretty cool. Didn't expect that. Okay, so we're gonna walk all the way down to the end, and then we'll show you. We go back to the water and come back again to the beer festival. So pretty interesting. Didn't expect all the free beer to be giving out all day today like that. Hello. Okay. Okay, so now we're coming back out to the kind of the main street, the main circle. We're gonna meander in here a little bit. You got tourists kind of everywhere today. Lots of people throughout today. We're gonna kind of meander like this. And my goal is just to give you an idea of Coloane village just in general. Yeah, I didn't expect a beer festival at all. Okay. Reserved for the ambulance. Just as an aside, there's definitely interesting stuff down that way. This is follows the water all the way down, so there's some shops that overlook the ocean, and we are gonna try to go across like this. We're back at the water again. Okay, that's funny, the water came up, and I wonder if there's water that came all the way down or just hit that one spot where the people were at. Okay, so anyways, let's get up near the festival again. Okay, so we're coming back, walk along the waterfront, and I guess what we're gonna do next is go right back down to the festival, because I think the festival is the main thing to see and do. Let me just go across like that. Yep, Coloane. Yeah, I didn't expect them to be giving out free beer like that. Amazing. Free beer right over there. Yeah, this side too. So I guess we go through. I guess we got it right there. Huh. Never seen that before. 3 bottles of beer. I don't know if that's every May 5. So curious.